Good morning, how are you? I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm making some flowers. I haven't made flowers in a while. I had some major health issues and I'm back making cute little flowers. So I'm cutting 5-inch squares, 4 of them per flower, 5-inch on my little cutter. This little arm comes out on it. Comes out and then it locks. And then you pick it up. You have to replace the little blades in it. And if you use it a lot, so I put it right on my 5-inch mark. If you use it a lot, you'll go through blades. Not real fast, but I do go through blades. So here's my 5-inch square that fast, and look how nice the edges are. Okay, I have my squares cut out. I'm doing a 5-inch flower. This is a 4-inch, so it fits in my hand. Now I'm gonna do a 5-inch, and I'm gonna fold them. I have these already folded, so you don't have to watch me go through folding them. I have this little folding tool here that works amazing. I'm trying to get it as close as I can. And fold it one more time. It's gonna get kind of hard and stiff. Kind of start squeezing this right here as you do it, and lining it up. Start squeezing down this way. Okay, so when you get it folded like this, you're going to just come around and cut the tips off. And I'll show you. And these scissors are not that sharp, so it's kind of making the edges rough, which makes them look kind of cool. If you want more of a finished edge, you would definitely use them sharper scissors and kind of go really deep. Don't cut off a whole bunch. And then just keep trying it and see. Don't be afraid to do it. Isn't that cool? It looks like a 4-leaf clover. Look at that. We can make some 4-leaf clovers, you guys. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of these. Okay, I have all of my petals cut out. And then I'm gonna just stack them right here. And I'm gonna cut out a petal here. See a little section? Kind of like an orange, That's my first one. The second one, I'm going to cut out 2 petals. The third one, I'm going to cut out, how many? 3? How did you guess? 3. And the last one we're going to cut in half. I'm going to start putting these together. I have some quick drying glue, and I'm going to put whole petals together. And I kind of looked to see what side I wanted the outside, what side I wanted, and I wanted it like this. So you just put it together. See how you just put 2 petals together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue right here. Just hold it for a second. This is one of my 4-petal ones, and I have 2 of those. This one I'm gonna do a little bit different. Oh, I'm gonna do it different when I cut it. I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than the other one, because so they don't stick right together at the same size. You'll see. So there's my first one. There's this one. And I like to take one of my bead rollers and I'm gonna start rolling it. Center. glue there. And there it is. Hold it for a second. Then the next one. There's that one. And this one is going to be a half roll. You're going to put it kind of like, going to kind of roll it over on half of the petal. So they're all graduating in size by a petal or a half a petal. This bottom, like that. See that? So now I got to get some glue on it. Just hold it, shape it, and you can cut. You're going to cut the bottoms of all these. Just cut the tip off. I'm going to cut this tip off a little bit shorter, each one. So don't cut it off. You can always cut off more if you need more. So there's those. Now this one, this is my 4 one, so I wanted to remember when I was folding this. I'm gonna fold it, kind of. Cut it a little bit shorter, a little bit more of it. And this one you're just going to put together. So it makes a little cone. Looks like I need some more glue. It's kind of dried up. Those together. And I have this one. And when you have your flower petal petals cut off the top, then you're going to cut off the edge a little bit, just a little bit. Glue this. I'm almost done. Almost ready to start making the flower. Are you excited? These are fun. So I have all of these graduating in size. Look at that. Start with the biggest one. It's going to go like this. So those two, there's two that are alike. Oh yeah, these two. This. That's going to be a flower. So it's going to go like this. Flower. Okay, the first one. You're going to put around the edge, bottom of this flower. This is the largest one here. This is the second large, and I kind of try to overlap my petals, and I just put it in there. Kind of hold it for a second. Next one, so you're going to glue around all these. Remember to overlap the petals. Okay, it's done, but it's not done. It's almost done. I'm gonna sit here and let this dry for a while before I start curling the edges. I like to curl the edges when it's all together so I can kind of play with the shape of the rose. You can do it before you put it all together, or you can do it this way. So I'm just kind of got it really good in there. I'm just gonna let it dry for about 15 minutes. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Yay. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I let it sit here and dry a little while. Still not completely dry, but I have these paper bead rollers. So depending on which ones I need to get in there, I just take it has a little slot on it. You could do it with just by doing it like this, rolling it over a pen or something. But we have these paper bead rollers. So keep going all the way around and just roll your edges. I need a smaller one, so I'm gonna go to the smaller one. And just keep kind of looking at your rose and shaping it. If you feel your flower coming apart down there, after you get done, you can kind of see which one is coming apart and put a little bit more glue on it. But I think once it dries, it will be fine. Just let it dry and see where it goes. Okay. And just kind of pull it apart a little bit. Get the middle. And I want to do this one right here in the very middle. A little bit. There we go. Okay, there you go. There's my 2 roses. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching, you guys.